This visa processing time guide gives you an indication of how long your visa application may take to process. This estimated timeframe is based on how long it has taken to process recently finalized applications. It does not guarantee your application will be finalized within this timeframe. Let's check the partner visa subclass 820, lodge on 1st of February 2025. It shows here that your visa application within standard processing timeframe. 50% processed in 14 months, and 90% processed in 24 months. The department continues to prioritize aged, and compassionate and compelling applications. This is reflected in current processing times. To attach a document while waiting for your Australian visa process, log into your ImmiAccount, select your application. Click on Attach Documents. After you have attached all the requested documents, scroll down at the bottom of the page. You can see a box that says, "I confirm I have provided information as requested." You can click the box only if you have attached all the requested documents. By confirming that you have provided the requested information, you acknowledge that the department may proceed to make a decision on the application, without waiting until the end of the period specified in the request. This box will only be active if a processing officer has activated this option. Notifications to processing are automatically triggered by the system when attachments are added to an application. For those applicants who have requested to have biometrics, this box should also appear. When you have completed your biometrics, you can click this button to confirm you have provided the request. You could also attach a receipt from your biometrics before clicking I confirm button. Once your biometrics have been collected by the service delivery partner, they are automatically downloaded and will reflect in the immigration processing systems. This process should then be reflected in your ImmiAccount within a day or two. Status shows next to your application in My Applications summary, your ImmiAccount. Incomplete means you have started but not completed an application. Ready to submit means you have completed an application form, but have not yet paid the application charge, or have saved the application without submitting. Submitted, it means you have submitted an application. Awaiting payment, you have submitted and paid the application charge via BPay, and immigration is waiting for the bank to confirm that the payment has been processed. This status only applies to application types that have a BPay option. When immigration links your payment to your online application, the status will change from awaiting payment to received. It can take up to a day to match your payment to your application. Received means immigration has received an application from you and can assess it within the current processing times. If you see the status of your application as received, and there is a flag next to it, it means that the case officer has reviewed the application and requested that you provide further evidence. It could also show as initial assessment with a flag. Once you have provided the requests, by attaching them through your ImmiAccount and clicking the button I confirm I have provided information as requested, the status will change to further assessment, meaning you have provided the requested information and the application will be assessed again. When a case officer has completed assessing your application and a decision has been made on it, the status should change to finalized. At this stage, you should have received correspondence from immigration about the decision on your application. If you are a holder of Bridging Visa A, and your Bridging Visa A is active and you have a plan to travel overseas, this video is for you. Can you travel overseas on Bridging Visa A? The answer is no. Let's first talk about what Bridging Visa A is. So if you have lodged the substantive visa, you will automatically be granted a Bridging Visa A, as part of applying for a substantive visa. A substantive visa is a type of visa that the Australian government grants to individuals who wish to visit or stay in Australia. This can be for work, study, or family-related reasons. For example, the Subclass 485 Temporary Graduate Visa, the Subclass 190 Permanent Resident Visa, the Subclass 820 Partner Visa, or the Subclass 500 Student Visa are all examples of substantive visas. Let's say you have been granted Bridging Visa A, which is now active, and you want to travel overseas. So now your question, can I travel overseas while a holder of Bridging Visa A? The answer is no. While Bridging Visa A let you remain in Australia lawfully until your substantive visa application is finally determined. Bridging Visa A will end when you leave Australia. If you travel outside Australia, you will need a visa to return to Australia. So if you need to travel overseas, you will need to apply for and be granted a bridging visa B, which will let you leave and re-enter Australia. So how do I apply for bridging visa B? From August 1, 2022, the option to apply for bridging visas A, B, and C, in person or via a paper form, will no longer be available. Applications for a bridging visa A, B, or C must be made online via ImmiAccount or the online web form, which will show you how to apply in this video. If you applied for your substantive visa through ImmiAccount, you must submit your bridging visa B application through ImmiAccount. If another person or agent lodges your substantive visa via on their ImmiAccount, you can ask that person to apply for your bridging visa B. However, the agent may charge a processing fee. Alternatively, you can apply via an online web form, which will show you in this video how to apply. Go to your web browser and type immi.homeaffairs.gov.au. Click Visas. Click Getting a Visa, and then click List of all visas. And click Other visas. Click on Bridging Visa B. As you can see here, there is a link for online web form. Click on that, and it will redirect you to the web form application for Bridging Visa B. Before you use the web form to apply for Bridging Visa B, you will need to get your current passport ready, and you must complete the Form 1006, application for a Bridging Visa B, and attach it at the end of this web form application. Also, before submitting a Bridging Visa B application via web form, you must pay for the application in ImmiAccount. So let me show you on how to pay your Bridging Visa B application in ImmiAccount. Log into your ImmiAccount. If you don't have an ImmiAccount, you will be prompted to create one. After successfully logging on, go to the Manage Payments section to make your payment. Click Manage Payments. Click on the Prepay Paper service. Then select the Prepay Visa Application Charge Paper application. Then choose a processing office. Write your full name based on your current passport and date of birth. Under Visa Class, select 20 Bridging Visa B. Click Calculate and wait for the window to pop up. So here is put the date when you will be submitting your Bridging Visa B application. Click Calculate. Scroll down at the bottom and click Continue. You will be redirected to the payment section. Scroll down, click Continue. You can pay with your Visa credit card, PayPal, or Union Pay. When your payment is successful, you will have a receipt number. Write this number on your application before you submit, as you will need it when you proceed with your Bridging Visa B application via web form. So now you can proceed to apply for your Bridging Visa B via web form. So here I will show you again how to apply for Bridging Visa B via web form. Go to your web browser and type immi.homeaffairs.gov.au. Click Visas. Click Getting a Visa, and then click List of all visas. And click Other visas. Click on Bridging Visa B. As you can see here, there is a link for online web form. Click on that, and it will redirect you to the web form application for Bridging Visa B. You can read through all the information on the page. Tick these boxes related to privacy and security to start the Bridging Visa B application. Once you have checked, these questions will automatically come up. Which bridging visa are you applying for? Date of departure. Put the date of your proposed flight overseas. And the date you will return to Australia. Which substantive visa have you applied for? Select the visa class for which you are still waiting for a decision. Is your substantive visa application being reviewed on merits or by a judicial review? Answer this question based on your circumstances. Did you lodge the substantive visa application through ImmiAccount or import your paper application into ImmiAccount? If you click Yes, this is a follow-up question. Have you tried lodging your application for a bridging visa through ImmiAccount but were unable to submit it? Again, select Yes or No, based on your circumstances. For this video, we selected Yes. Once you tick yes, the next question will be your details. Write your full name exactly as it is shown on your current passport. Your current location. Provide the following information in relation to your substantive visa application. You can find these details in the acknowledgement of the application letter you received when you applied for your substantive visa. Earlier, we mentioned Form 1066, which you must complete and sign. You can attach it here. Click Browse and Attach. If you scroll down, you can see attached scanned copies of any additional documents. You can attach your current passport, airline ticket if you have one, or covering letter. Just click Browse and attach those additional documents. Click Submit and follow the prompt on your screen. I hope this video helps, should you wish to apply for Bridging Visa B via a web form. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer them.